here we go. Got a punch and a 4-pound hammer. Here we go. It went in. Alright. That's one way of doing it. Alright. Finally took it out. What I tried using first was this one right here. Pretty long. But it wasn't giving me the leverage because I was already touching the floor with this one, and it making it difficult because I'm in a tight spot because I'm just got the car jacked. I don't have the lift for it, so I use this one here, which is a smaller one. And then see how it bends. Went right there, took it, pushed it in, and it came right out. Just tapped on it and it popped right out. Helped out big time. So these are the tools that help me. This one especially because it's smaller, and from where I'm at, the angle, it just came right out with no problem. Let's take a look, see how it looks inside. There it is. Oh. Now I gotta take this out. Put a new axle seal on. As you can see, it's pretty dirty around the sides. Yep. So I gotta take this out and put a new one in. There you go. The old one and a new one from Rock Auto. That's where I got this one from Rock Auto. Lined it up. The only thing I don't have is this rubber piece all the way up to this end here. So yeah, problem was right here, the boot. And yeah, this is like the second boot that I put on since I had it. So it was giving me that trouble with the clanking and all that. So finally took it off. Put this new one on. This is the serial number or the order number for the axle seals for the Mazda 1997 Mazda Protege. Got 2 of them. And that's how they look. Put these on. Also from Rock Auto. And to give you a little pointer here, you see I took it off from here, pulled it out, punched it in. This is still connected. I did not take this off. Didn't need to take this off. So it helped me bend this so that way I can get this out the way. Now I'll put the new one in there. And there it is all the way back there. So, yep, here we go.